EZClaimPay was created so your business can unleash the benefits of a single, unified software and payment solution. With this new feature, you can now eliminate the need for third-party vendors, double data entering, and account balancing between multiple programs. It also gives you an easy-to-use, streamlined process for taking credit card payments straight from within your very own EZClaim software. Why should you sign up with EZClaimPay? Not only does this feature provide tight integration so you can take credit card payments directly in your program, but it also offers centralized support, so you have no more back and forth calls between us and another payment processor. This feature also offers multiple ways for payments to be collected. The first three options will be from your Take Payment screen. You can use a credit card storage option to charge a patient's card that is saved on file. You may also select the second option and use a terminal leased by EZClaim for swiping or inserting a card, or you can manually enter card information. The last option is to send patients a text containing a link. This link will direct patients to a secure payment site to pay a requested balance online. You may also copy this link and send it to the patient via email. And to top it all off, managing your terminals, running your merchant reports, and taking miscellaneous payments has never been easier with our Merchant Track portal. This is also located right in your program under the Tools tab for easy access. Don't wait any longer. Book your time now so you can see for yourself how this feature can streamline your payment processing and simplify your day-to-day workflow.